So here was the Biden trend, and here's where the inflation was too much and they started quantitative tightening. Then you can see here we went into another trend when they started quantitative easing again. You can see that when Trump got elected here, before he took office, they tried to get him in this channel here and knock him out. And he jumped back out. He tried to get out, and then this is when he announced the tariffs. And then we had the big drop. Notice we stopped inside of this channel for a moment, and we dropped out of the channel, and then we had the big recovery. We got back into this channel. And you can see here, he was pushing to get back into this channel, right? And once he got back into this channel, now these two channels conflicted. There's two of them. We have this one and we have this one. And you can see that they're inside both. I think that they were trying to maintain this orange colored channel. And that's why they popped this out so that they could kind of try to stay in here. But notice that now they dropped back through it and now it hit resistance. We need to break out of here. Right now we're pulling into this channel here. And so we're coming down. I'm assuming that we're going to hit this and then try to break out of this channel and at least stay in this one and continue this on. I know that they would really like to get into this channel because the trajectory on this would take them way. Same story. We came up through this trajectory here. That's after Trump announced the Liberation Day. And then we got into this channel, which was Biden's second channel. They merged. And then you can see they popped it out of the channel. It hit this. And that created a new downward trend. Well, it was the beginning of a new downward trend. But notice they popped it out. It jumped off of Biden's lower band of the trend. Now it's trading inside of Biden's trend and this downward trend. You can see, I mean, it's pretty clear exactly what's happening and where they're going. I think that this is the most clear that you can see it here. So look at this. I mean, it all looks very clear to me. We came up through this channel. We merged into the previous channel. We jumped out. We hit a resistance of a new, they're trying to knock it down again. You know, you do realize that we're getting a whole new type of money is coming out, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if we go all the way back down and switch over to crypto. These lines, I didn't make it up. All I did was trace the lines from way back. So what I think that it's identifying when it says bear trap is that it's going to come down, hit this, and then pop back up. Now you got a resistance line here, and you have the channel. I think they're going to at the very least, try to get back into this channel. So, you know, and if they don't, look at this trajectory. They're saying it's a bear trap because we're going to get in here and then jump up. Let's look at some other things while we're in. Investor mode, it's a bear trap. As a trader, sell. Be careful. Be careful. There's a lot of negative pressure on this. But at the same time, when everybody's scared, that's when you buy. So I'm not telling you to buy or sell. This is not trader advice. I'm not a trader. I'm not anything. I just like watching this. This is my sports. Last thing here, let's check out some Bitcoin, where we're at. As a trader, it's telling me to sell. We had a nice little run up. But we got some negative pressure coming in. Some selling. Okay, but it's still in a positive way. But again, it's some selling coming in there. All right, for an investor, still sell. Be careful. But again, when everybody's afraid, maybe that's when you want to buy. You see that? That's what that's saying. But you definitely don't want to sell. Right? Don't sell what you have. and it's your decision if you think this is a good buy. Okay, let's see. Let's go. I know Ripple. A lot of people like Ripple. I like Ripple. What do we got? Again, it's telling me it's a sell. We got a lot of negative pressure. Got a risk-off scenario. We got, oh my goodness, look at how it's been really having some downward pressure here. We had a little bullish divergence come in. It supported a little bit, but yeah, we're still pretty negative here. So all of them are the same, just about. Right, so let's try S&P. I know people like S&P. Let's see how that's doing. Okay, it's telling you to hold as an investor, hold as a trader. It did cross that 50. Goodness. But again, it's giving you that 85% chance to buy. It's not telling you to buy. This is telling you that there's an 85% chance that you probably should do something right here. And if you're brave enough, then that's where you maybe would buy, but realize that it could turn back down. But it's looking pretty nice, actually. If this turns back green, we're going to get a nice gap up like this, and you know, we'll be fine. So that looked like a nice buy right there. And that was doing so great. Yep, that's the trader view. I'm mostly trading right now. Here's the investor view on this. It's looking really nice. Yep, we got our qubits. We got our qubits today. Looking at that for a potential buy. We did our we did some a little lunar today. That was nice. Again, we're trading more, so that's pretty nice. Nice gap up. It's looking nice and strong. And let's do, what else did we do today? We did a little silver. Let's do a little silver. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. See, it's telling me here, this is where it's a little bit of downward pressure on it. It's pushing down, but you know, we're all right. This thing is so strong that they really have to, I put my stop right under here. So, you know, how much am I really going to lose? Put on a nice position. I could come all the way up to here, or even more. But I can only lose from here to here. This is why I bought it. It was a nice low risk position. And yeah, some IonQ or Nvidia, a little AMD. AMD is looking all right. It's doing a little something. So it's up already, so you can't really buy. I mean, you can only buy very little. This number, what I consider is this, you got to multiply this by how many shares you want to put. Multiply that as a decimal. So 0.0 over here would be 0.6, 0.19. So if I want to put 100 shares, I really want to put 100 shares, maybe I should only put 19. That's kind of how I read that. But yeah, that's looking nice. What else we got here? My Rocket Lab, how's that doing? Rocket Lab is coming back. I really should be buying some of that a little bit right now. I made some profits right here, bought down here, made profits on all of this, sold it. So I probably sold it right about here. And so I'm about even now. I wasn't paying attention. I should have bought this a little earlier. Yeah, it was looking good. But she's coming back. What about on the investor mode? Look at that, a nice buy on Rocket Lab. All right. Well, I think I'm gonna end the live stream. I just wanted to show that. I didn't want to make it too long. I've been having I haven't been having the best quality of videos and stuff like that for you guys. So I want to make sure that I be a little more focused in the future. And yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. We got some new stuff coming in here.
Early morning hustle, rise and grind, counting green while dreams unwind. Stacks on stacks, they catch my eye. Living large, I touch the sky. Money, 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 this for the money, hug me. Ready? Money, 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 this for the money, dummy, hungry. Money, 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 this for the money, got me, got me. Money, 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 this for the money, hug me. Ready? Paper trails and leather seats, street lights blink as I make beats. Dollar signs, they light my way, living high and skies are gray. Money, 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 this for the money, hug me. Ready? Money, 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 this for the money, dummy, hungry. Money, 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 this for the money, got me, got me. Money, 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 this for the money, hug me. Ready? Gold chains dancing, wrist so bright. Cash flow steady all through night. Chasing dreams, no end in sight. Money talk, it feels so right. Money, 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 this for the money, hug me. Ready? Money, 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 this for the money, dummy, hungry. Money, 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 this for the money, got me, got me. Money, 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 this for the money, hug me. Ready?